The opposition PNP has expressed concern about what it says are widespread reports of vote buying and voter suppression in the September 3 general election. Donna Scott Motley is the PNP's campaign spokesman.
The long delays for voters at so many polling stations and the refusal to allow persons in line at 5 p.m. to vote are also cause for concern. These practices strike at the very heart of our democracy, undermining the right of every Jamaican to freely choose their representatives without fear or inducement. While we respect the will of the people, we cannot ignore the corrosive effect of these illegal and immoral actions on public trust in the electoral process.
According to Scott Motley, the PNP stands firm in defending the rights of Jamaicans to vote without intimidation. She says a press conference will be held once the party gathers sufficient data on the claims of voter suppression.
We call on the Electoral Commission, law enforcement, and civil society to take decisive steps to confront and eradicate these practices. We will use every platform available to promote critical reforms to our electoral laws to address these practices that undermine our democracy. Our democracy is too precious to be sold or stolen, and the PNP will continue to stand firm in defense of the Jamaican people's right to vote freely and without intimidation or coercion.